Hi, I'm Ash from ＡLow Mobile Physio, and today we are discussing stress incontinence. So, stress incontinence, also known as urinary incontinence, occurs when we have a little bit of urine leakage during activities that increase pressure in our abdomen. Some of these activities would include coughing, sneezing, laughing, or exercise. This happens when the pelvic floor muscles and supporting tissues are either weakened, stretched, or damaged. And when that happens, they cannot properly support the bladder or the urethra. Stress incontinence is common after childbirth, hormonal changes, aging, or any kind of physical strain on the body or the pelvic area. The good news is that stress incontinence is treatable. With the right approach, including pelvic floor physio, many people experience a significant improvement or full reduction over time. Thanks so much for joining us.